Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling visual voicemail so messages land in an inbox you can manage. First, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. If you don't see it, dial your carrier's voicemail number. Follow the setup prompts to create a PIN and record a greeting. Once done, make sure notifications are allowed for the phone and voicemail apps so you're alerted. Doing this now avoids manual call-ins later and gives you a visual list of messages to work through. Now you'll manage messages and tweak settings. Tap any voicemail to play, pause, rewind, or share. Long press to delete or save to device. Next, open voicemail settings to enable transcription if available, set notification tones, and choose whether messages auto-download over mobile data or only on Wi-Fi. Make sure storage permissions are granted so saves succeed. If you want a cleaner inbox, star important messages and archive or export others. This reduces clutter and ensures you can find important messages fast. Finish by testing and knowing a key fix. Call your number from a second phone and leave a message. Verify it appears and plays in visual voicemail. If it doesn't, toggle airplane mode or restart your phone, then check voicemail settings and reset your PIN. Make sure voicemail transcription and notifications aren't blocked by battery saver. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm voicemail provisioning on your account. This is often the root cause, and they can push a network update to restore proper delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.